Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to share with you 4 apps that will help you as a YouTuber. So enjoy the video. The first app is called YouTube Creator Studio and you can find it on your Play Store. This app is amazing. You can see everything, like all your videos in one place. You can monitor, see how many views you're getting. You can able to edit. Maybe you can edit your titles. You can go to monetization. You can see how much you're making per video, and you can also check the playlist, see what people are watching more, and also you can comment on people's comments. You can reply, and yeah, also it has analytic, so it gives you the analysis of your channel. So it's a very helpful app. Everyone should have it. If you're a YouTuber, you should have this app. The second app that I would recommend is called TubeBuddy. This is #1 app that you should have on your phone. Like from today, just go download it. It's a very good app. It gives you analysis on your channel. It works exactly like YouTube Creator Studio, but this one is advanced because you can see comments, and you can see things at once, and then there's a milestone, so you can be able to give challenge to yourself what you want to do. Also it has you can be able to see your tags. You can able to see what you have not done on your videos. You can able to monitor what tags are working on your videos and those are not. So TubeBuddy is a good and great app. Another app that I would recommend is called Canva. If you want to make great thumbnails, Canva is your best friend. Like I use this for my thumbnails. Let me just show you how you create simple thumbnail, and you can use this app in your phone, and also if you have a laptop you can still use it. Here I'm just trying to show you how you create amazing thumbnail, and everything is there. You just need to know what you want. The pictures are there. Yeah, so Canva is one of the best apps that create thumbnails, and I highly recommend it. Here I'm just showing you how you can create simple thumbnails in just minutes. So Canva is one of the best app. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. Give this video a big thumbs up. So as you can see here, I'm trying to save this the design that I have created, and then it will go to my designs collection. Guys, all my thumbnail I create using Canva. So when I say Canva is one of the best, I love it because it is easier for everyone, for a beginner, for everyone. So download Canva. The fourth and the last app that I would recommend is called Test Animation Maker. This is one of the best app that creates simple graphics on your channel. If you want to do intros, if you want to do graphics, any text on your videos, this is one of the best. Here I'm just showing you how many designs you can achieve. I was just writing Esmo fashion. As you can see, you can change so many colors, you can have so many designs. Just choose what you want with this text animation maker, and it's very simple. Guys, you need this app like yesterday, like today. If you don't have this app, go to Play Store, just download it, and it's free. You can use it for free. So this is a very good app for a creator who wants her videos or his videos to pop. So yeah, this is how you can save. You see, you just, when you finish your design, you just save it, and then you're done. So guys, I'll just show you where other designs that I have created with this app, and it's so amazing. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. Give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time, bye.